Hey, it's Melia, and today we're going to talk about this dog treat toy. And I'm super excited to try this out. It comes with everything you need. So let's open it up. And it also comes with your little mold for you to make those homemade popsicles for your dogs, or pupsicles as we like to call it. So let's get this all filled up and ready to go. So I got this filled up. I only filled up a couple of them all the way full because they're small little fillers. So, but here's the mold, and I have a little mixture in there, and I got it all filled up, and I'm gonna stick this in the freezer. I'm gonna freeze it. And then when they're done, I'm just gonna be able to pop these out. So I pulled the treat out of the mold, and I'm just gonna drop it in. And I'm going to put the lid on it. And there we have the little treat. So let's get these going so my puppies can play around with the snack. You can see that they actually got in there pretty good with the little mixed treat. It was easy to fill, and then you can just put the little cap on it if you want to save it, and twist it to refill it if needed. I got this free for review, and my little fillers love this, and this is a great little treat for them to have if I want to make some homemade popsicles. I got this free for review, and I highly recommend.